I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Adriana is currently coloring. She has a little friend over. They're having a little play date. Yes, I'm wearing the same sweatshirt that I wore in the last video. Don't mind that. I literally just threw it on. It's clean. I just threw it on really quick because it was so cold in my house. I cannot believe how cold it has been in California. I woke up this morning and it was 37 degrees outside. So, of course, in here, since it's a bigger house, the insulation is not that great. I really need to get something to either like fix the doors and the windows. This sliding glass door in her room. And so it just gets really cold. And how I know it's so cold is because we have this little grow egg, which tells us the temperature in her bedroom at all times. And when it gets too blue, that means it's too freezing for her and it should be warmer. I actually need to change the date. Today is not the 13th. Today is the 15th. So yeah, I need to figure something out. Maybe I'll try to figure that out today at some point because it's just becoming very costly turning on my heater all the time. And it just gets cold again within like an hour. Like it just gets the same temperature it just was. It just gets freezing. So I need to figure something out. If you guys have any tips or suggestions for the cold air getting inside or any like thing. Oh, I see a spider web. Need to clean that off. Let me know down below because I could use some tips for that. It's just becoming such a waste to run my heater because it just gets cold like very fast and it's a lot of money to run your heater. This is Adriana's friend. I think you guys have seen her in another vlog. She's almost 2, so they're like pretty close in age. You gonna put the cap back on? Yeah. Yeah, all done? Good job. There you go. Is that the right way? Hers is a little bit hard to put on. Hi, babe. What are you doing? You wanna clean up the markers? Are you done? So I'm currently making lunch for the girls. Adriana's friend is actually sleeping. I'm making them mac and cheese. Adriana said she wanted mac and cheese earlier and I just figured I would make that simple and easy. They both like it. Well, actually her friend, the mom said that she sometimes likes it and sometimes doesn't. So we'll see if she likes it today. If not, I'll just make her something else. But Adriana asked for it, so I figured I'd make it. I did have to make 2 boxes because it's 2 of them. But one's cheddar cheese and one's white cheese. So unfortunately, I have to mix the 2 cheeses. So hopefully that doesn't become a problem and they don't think it's nasty because I've never really done that before, mixed white and cheddar cheese. So we'll see how that goes. I gave Adriana the iPad because she tends to not like when people are sleeping and she wants to knock on the door and try to go inside and climb in the bed and pretty much disturb her friend from sleeping. So I just gave her the iPad. It kind of gave me a second to like clean things up, make the lunch, and then I'm kind of just planning out my week. I don't think I showed you guys my new planner. I think it's so cute. I got it at Walmart, surprisingly, and I really love it. I think it's just like the cutest. It's really big. It has a lot of different things that you can like look at. It's like let life surprise you, and then it has all like this kind of stuff. I was just really shocked that Walmart had such cute stuff. I usually get these type of planners like either online on like Erin called, I forget the name, but they're like Erin Cauldron planners or something. I usually get those, which are very similar to this, or I go to Hobby Lobby. So Walmart definitely did great on their planners this year. So if you guys are looking for one, Walmart has a ton of options and they're really, really affordable. But as you can see, I did get ready. I curled my hair just because my hair was looking very like blah today. I wanted to do something with my hair and kind of get myself together a little bit. I did throw on a quick little like 10-minute makeup look. I don't have any lips on because we're gonna be eating lunch here soon. On the floor. What are you watching? She's watching Little Baby Bum, of course. Her friend woke up. They're eating lunch together right now. Adriana is having macaroni and cheese, the one that I just made, and raspberries, and some other fruit that she already ate, and then her water. And then she actually ate all of her stuff, and she just has cheese over there, some apples, some crackers. I need to change, though. I need to change out of this sweatshirt, get some lips on, because my lips look crazy right now. I had a little bit of the mac and cheese, and then I made some chicken for myself. That's what I had for lunch. I also just found a bunch of crumbs in Adriana's closet. I don't know if you guys can even really see that, but that's definitely going to attract ants, and I just vacuumed this room. So it must have happened sometime today, so I need to vacuum the entire house later on, but I want to get going because the days just fly by.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day.
Of course, I got a phone call right in the middle of me paying for my Dutch Bros coffee. I was actually going to vlog when I was there because there's not one by our house. So whenever we come out to the play place or to go out towards this city, that's when I usually go to Dutch Bros. It's so good. I wish we had one closer to like my actual house because it's cheaper and I think it tastes way better. But I got the Golden Eagle. I don't know if everywhere has a Dutch Bros, but it's really yummy. So if you have one, look it up on Google or something and definitely try it if you haven't. This one is my favorite, the Golden Eagle. It has like caramel and whipped cream. It's probably not the greatest, but it's made with Breve and it's just like so great and amazing. And I actually am glad that I did this because it kind of killed some time while Adriana still naps in the back seat. But we're going to head to the play place now. I'm actually going to wake her up because it's been a good amount of time where I feel like she's taken a good enough nap. But anyway, so somebody called me in the middle of me paying, and I actually had a free one today, and I didn't even think about it because I was at a dead stop parked about to pay, and it was a really important phone call, and they called right in the middle of me paying, and I didn't even give them my free little card, the stamp card thing that had the free drink. So I ended up paying for the drink anyways with my money, and I was sad because I really was looking forward to using my free one because I don't come out here very often.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago.
All right, you guys. So we are done at the play place now. We're actually just in the parking lot. I need to go into Ulta, honestly. So I think that's what we're gonna go do. Adriana's having a really loud tablet situation right now. Hold on, babe. Mama says helping you, honey. I was just helping you. Yeah, we're gonna go walk inside of the store, okay? Oh man, that was interesting with 2 kids. So I didn't vlog any of the play place because with 2 kiddos, I had, oh, there's like a construction. What are they making right here? There's like a, thanks for your patience. I wonder what's gonna be there. There's no like sign that says like coming soon. Anyways, so I had all of this stuff basically and my coffee that I got from Dutch Bros, and I had to carry one of the kids because I didn't have my big stroller with me. I just had like the Minnie Mouse one, which is like a really crappy one. It's like 20 bucks, and after a while it just gets bad because the wheels are just, I don't know, the wheels are just super messed up. So I had to put one of the kiddos in the stroller, and then I had to hold the other kiddo. So I had my hands full and there was no way that I can vlog, but the kids had a lot of fun at the play place. They just jumped around, went down the slide, all of that fun stuff. Really, we go to those type of places on the weekend, and it's so much better going to one of those like during the week because it's less busy and less kids. And I always feel like the little kids, like Adriana and her friends age, like 2-year-old toddlers, it just gets so tricky when there's a bunch of older kids. It just makes me really nervous. So I'm like very hands-on and like very like paranoid and making sure that, you know, both of them are like okay and aren't getting trampled by really big kids, because that would not be good. So anywho, I just got gas that you guys seen at Costco. I tried to vlog in here, but we'll see. Adriana's tired and I don't know if she's gonna let me whip out the camera. This might have to be like a quick little Ulta trip. You just got home. I was just actually writing a few things that I needed to do tomorrow in my planner. Also, this video will be up tomorrow, which you guys are seeing this the next day, of course. So I have that to edit tonight, and I'm also going to be uploading here in a bit my Instagram skincare routine. So I'm kind of nervous about it. I don't know. It's my first time. It's not like probably the best one I'll ever make, but like I said, it's my first one ever, and we'll just see how you guys like it and my followers like it. I obviously have other people who follow me that don't follow me for YouTube and that follow me for just because they know me and things like that. So I'm like almost kind of nervous because it's my personal Instagram along with my professional Instagram combined. So that's something that's a little bit different probably than others that do this kind of stuff, is that like my personal people kind of have to see it too, and I hope that they don't mind. I guess that's like my biggest concern, like that they might not be into skincare and will get like annoyed with like makeup and skincare videos, but I'm just hoping that you guys like it. So don't forget to follow me on there. I used to have like really crazy bad skin, like cystic hormonal acne and stuff, so I feel like I might be very helpful to some people who are really struggling, and I've never really like brought my skincare and my story about my acne like really out there. So that may be in another video here on YouTube, along with like adding some of that stuff to my Instagram story. But Anna is currently eating dinner right now. She's having the leftover mac and cheese. I had to just make something quick because we got home and it's already 6 o'clock, so it's already pretty late. Hi, baby. Here's some chicken strips. We love the chicken from Costco. I actually might make myself some too. And then just the Annie's mac and cheese from earlier. And then I'm gonna make her some peas as well on the side. So just a quick little dinner that I threw together. But I wanted to share with you guys a couple of things that I got from Ulta, because I know you guys like to see hauls. I did get some requests to do more shopping hauls and things like that. And I do get stuff all the time. I just wasn't really sure if you guys were super into like beauty hauls and home hauls and stuff, but I've been getting a lot of requests for the year of 2020 to like just do a lot more hauls and things. So even if it's a couple of things, I will show you guys as much as I remember to. So I got some more of my Morphe setting spray. I got this Maybelline matte ink, what color is this in Loyalist. So I've never actually tried these Maybelline matte lips, but this one was actually the last one, and I'm just totally into these pinks. Like, I think they're so gorgeous, and they really just bring out a makeup look, especially if you're like not wearing any eyeshadow. This can just really make your face just look totally complete. Makes everything just stand out really nice. And these are by far like my everyday type of lip. I'll wear this going out, I'll wear this day to day. It's my favorite. So we'll see how I like how this kind of stays on. Like I said, I've never tried the Super Stay matte inks before, so I will let you guys know how I like that and maybe do like a tutorial with them pretty soon. And then I found this e.l.f. Jelly Pop. It's actually like a whole line that e.l.f. came out with, and I've seen a couple of people who do makeup here like on Instagram and stuff use this brand, and I just found it at Ulta today. So I've seen a bunch of other things, but I really wanted to try the gloss because I'm really into glossy lips lately. Now that it's like winter and it's drier weather, I feel like having more of a glossy lip is kind of nice too. So I'm excited to try this Jelly Pop lip stuff out. You know what, I can actually try it right now. It says that it has non-sticky, it has hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, and coconut oil. So that's pretty cool. That's actually a lot of good stuff for your lips. She's over there throwing mac and cheese. This is how I eat it, out of the pan. Don't judge me. Who has time for bowls anymore? In cherry, so it should be like a cherry. Oh, smells like a candy or something. Like a candy I've had before. I just can't think, like a Starburst, like a sour Starburst. I like it. It's actually not sticky, so they were right. The disclaimer is right. I really actually like it. Oh gosh. It smells good. It gives like a nice tint, so it's definitely for like an everyday too. And it's not sticky at all, and it doesn't taste bad. And then I actually went for a new beauty blender. That's the whole reason why I went there, was because I needed a new one. I noticed that changing out my beauty blenders, not just washing them, but actually changing them out more often, has reduced my skin like texture, bumps, and things like that. Just replacing these, because I do use them so often and we're using them every day, that, you know, replacing them instead of washing them is a lot better if you can just budget that in. And I actually seen this purple one today, so it must be like a limited edition gems thing. I don't know what it's for, but I wanted to try it because it was purple, and I've never had a purple one. But that is actually everything that I got from Ulta. Nothing major. So I'm going to feed her the rest of this dinner, and I need to feed myself something too. All right, you guys, so I'm finally relaxing. I'm having a little mommy time right now. Just finishing up with some computer work. I'm about to get in the bath, that skincare routine, and probably a mask tonight too. Some gel eye pads, I don't know. But yeah, just relax in the bath. It's been a long day. My back's actually really hurting. I was carrying so much stuff today. I think I like strained my back pretty bad. So I think I might make like a nice little Epsom salt bubble bath. I'm going to end the vlog here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media links. They will be linked down below with all of the stuff that I've pretty much talked about in the video for you guys to go and check out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.